Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures for your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro. You have to start by open Xiaomi Earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds to the app, you will see the same menu. You need to scroll down just a bit and go to the gestures. And now let's customize it. As you can see, single press it's set to none by default, so we can change it by just pressing it and now select something else. So let's say with a single press I wanna only play previous song. But no, let's set up previous song to another gesture. I wanna play and pause the song, and I wanna add it for both for the left and right earbud, but you can also set something else. For the double press, I wanna play previous song, so I just select previous song on both of these earbuds. For the triple press, it's set by default on both to play next song. I just change it. So by default we have next song, and I like this option, so I guess I will leave it. But again, you can select something else. For the press and hold on the both of the earbuds, we have noise control. But I wanna call voice assistant with my left earbud, so I just tap at the left earbud here and select voice assistant. Also for the noise cancellation, so by default with the gesture you swap only between ANC and transparency mode, and you cannot return to the normal mode. So if you want to do this with a gesture, you can just click at the check mark here and you will do this. And also, let's say if you don't need transparency mode, you just tap on it, but you need to select two options here, because as you can see now, let's say I wanna just turn off normal mode, but I can't because it said that I need to select at least two options. So yeah, and you will see something like this, and now you can swap between. And also we have a swipe, and for the swipe we have only one option, is to adjust volume, or you can set it to none, of course, but I like how it works, so I think I leave it also here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!